Omuntu murilia ondizi TV chitariki nemerongo ebere na etano ni tato omutienyi no gatano omwaka wechirubere nemerongo ebere na inye na mange abera kwenekigwa imechinsemo ao anemono ime yorogongo rwagusini ngana yogoteneni wako ni wa wekemelikia muguka ogenda chakoreta liberera ali nene aseboigo abakenya baenda tekorwa ebirengereri byabo anemono igoro yogokonga kubugi ayuna mange nimbe ginkoba manyiretera nenkoro kwa Job Maangi na kwa kinga chibichechi boigo na Mario Giabera oikira asenchera yobo ikira nuna bigali nyanchama yoko kinga nkonyorore amangana wetera asenchera yomonwa weimanyererio Lydia Mosinkura nande asikaterege tambe. Naboko ndo tubwate wetera asenchiro mtandao o Facebook Ndezi TV News Digital asense media ya YouTube Ndezi TV News na wetera so mtandao ito www.ndezitv.net chinsa merongebere na inye amatuko atano nabere ye wiki ama yani gotuko chakurwa se county ya Kisii sababu watani babeire bagweso kyana gukwanera buna ensi ya Kenya agendrete anemono chinga kilibera ligendate gutira igoro yogo chia gwechi wa komoswada olia olengete komenta ebango omoswada wechi besa abumwaka wechi bubere nemerongo ebere na inye sebabeire bago ichanera akokonga kubugima na gotebanga negati ya mangana abereka koirera abantu abange gutwara omuchando okebongo asaba gusaba eserekali koligereria enganeye na gota etia emeroberio yuera chikoirera agokonga kubugima bwamenyi imense yaito ya Kenya.
A lot of things that the government has imposed in terms of taxes. Now life has become so expensive than it was there before.
Atusikii vizuri. Kwa hivyo my request to the government, please musikate watu msahara.
Tembelea hospitali hizi sub counties utapata kuna watu wameajiriwa huko wanaitwa casuals, wengine wali graduate kitambo sana, miaka imepita zaidi hawajaipata kazi na wameajiriwa huko. Ile mishahara yenye wanapata huko ni mishahara duni sana, haiwezi tusaidia tukaweza kuendelea mbele.
Wananchi wamekuwa maskini, huwezi kujua huyu ni mfanyakazi, huyu ni mtu hafanyi kazi, wanalia all over. Na hata hao wanafanya biashara kidogo kidogo, Mheshimiwa Rais imekuwa ngumu.
Totikalite asingana erengete uchumi ya Kenya niga babunge babeiri bagosaba gotegerera ebirero byaba Kenya chingaki barachi gokwanera igoro y'umuswada w'ekibesa obumwaka w'ekirubere emerongo ebere nenye ase ebunge kagokwana nagosanga nabamenyi nigo omukonyi mumugabana we county ya Machakos Francis Mwangangi abeire gagosaba ababunge mbaetia umuswado yo asengencho nigora abego kwirira agokonga wekerengo kyobugima nabo ikwirira abakenya gutwara egurube ere endito mono.
Finance bill. If our parliamentarians are not going to pass that bill, then wananchi wa Kenya watafaidika. Kwa hivyo saa hii what we have now is a proposal. That proposal, we have our member of parliament na wale wengine. Himself alone he can't do anything. He can even lobby na wasaidiane wote pamoja ndio wasikie sauti ya Wakenya, na sauti ya Wakenya tunataka bearable life. Sawa sawa?
Hapa kanisani tarehe 31
Tukusuka bosioni ge kiombe kiobomo bwabarai be dini ime county ya Kilifi babere bakwa okoboko ge chambo keryo ge serikali ye county ya Mombasa na boigo area ya Kilifi ase ogotenenia obonia bwamaliogo yogotindi amuguke gento baba gotebanga na maliogo aberega koirera abasae abange gotakora emeremo na boigo gotwara obotenu butali oboronge asbaba gosaba je county chinde boigo kobwatesia na boigo koira chambo kero kengabune kyo elinda kwena kinga ngochigo twara tole abasaye na boigo ekiare kia kiabasaye bagochigo kina ase amatuko ale bosio.
Amepiga vita pombe zinazoharibu watoto huko bara na kufanya madhara na hamkufanya maandamano. Sasa huku kwetu Kilifi tunasema hatutaki Mungu kafa. Na wale ambao wamefanywa rehabilitation wakarudi vizuri wanasingizia mgoka. Hata kama kuna madawa ya kulevya mengine hatuyaungi mkono, tunayapinga. Kama kuna cocaine hatuungi mkono, tunazipinga. Na hizo hazifanywa hadharani kama huu mgoka, maana wanajua si halali. Sisi nasi kama serikali yetu imesema hatutaki, kwa nini mje mtuuzie lazima?
Viongozi wa dini tunawaambia wenzetu walioko huko sehemu za Mbere, Meru, wapi waangalie biashara yote. Yale mashamba wabadilishe, badala ya kupanda mogoka na miraa wapande
Kuskabosio ansingana egenda chekole taliberera anemono imiorogongo rwa Mount Kenya na boigo rolia Rift Valley ni gabara ikurwa ase county ya Bomet bakorawa numu governor we county ya Bomet Hilary Barchok babere bagwe sokia na komochia egatia barai anemono kurwa asorogongo rwa Rift Valley ababere bako babosio ase akorokananga ningo babere bakora siasa chugwetania omurai wense Dr. William Ruto na boigo omokonyi Rigathi Gachagua asabara yabo babeire bagosabwa gosika omokonyi bumurai bwense asengenjo ogochongelia omokonyi bumurai bwense Rigathi Gachagua boigo nogo chaya abisi yomurai bwense Dr. William Ruto asababeire bagosabwa koba ase omostari obosio ase okobwatesia eserekali anemono asogwikirania chira yabete gekoliera aba Kenya na boigo amagenda.
For the last few weeks, nimeona vile viongozi wanaongea. Na ningependa kusema ya kwamba hatuna kambi. And if you were to ask me, ile kambi ambayo ninasimama ni ile kambi ya president na deputy yake. Kwa sababu hiyo ndio the heads ya serikali yetu. President akiongoza, akisaidiwa na deputy president Rikichi. Na ningependa wauliza viongozi wetu, lazima tupeane heshima kwa viongozi wetu. Heshima ya deputy president ni heshima ya president. When you disrespect the deputy president, you are also disrespecting the president. Na ningependa kuongea sana na watu wa Rift Valley, hasa Wakaleji. Wakikuyu walisimama na sisi. Rikichi alisimama na sisi. Na lazima tupeye heshima.
Totikarete asingana erengete siasa nigo abarai anemono baba gaka kurwa ase orogongo rwa Mount Kenya babeire bagweso kina otebanga nigo barabe bakora okuiwana na egati yomurai bwense Dr. William Ruto na boigo omokonyi oye asabarai babeire bagusaba okora siasa chiabo asenchira ere yomorembe na boigo kubeka bosio amagenderero na gutiga siasa chabere chikorokananga nigo chirabe chikoirera okobogekana na boigo ogwetana egati yabarai ime yorogongo rolia rwa Mount Kenya.
These are young men they are very harmless. They are people that we know. We are going to call them in our head office, Nairobi. We are going to talk to them. Even those officials that the president has given jobs, we are also going to talk to them at a later date, and also give them the idea that we need deliverables. We don't need noises. And these noises are just because probably they have had enough food in their stomach. But very soon, we all also need to eat. But even when we eat, we don't need to make noise. We just need to appreciate God that He has given us something. So we will talk to them. They are young men and young women. We will talk to them as old men, and we will address them.
Togoska bosionigo ekero ensengima ealiganitiri tuko liokorwa esegeto anene mono igoro yobo chenu bwabasubati chinga kibakonyora omutienyi nigo igatia basaye korwa asorogongo rwa coast orworo koleta amo chikaunti cha Mombasa Kilifi na Boigo Taita Taveta babeire bagwesokia na korwa ebitamba bigusira abana chinyaruka anemono chinga kibakonyora omutienyi Boigo niga serikali na Boigo abo bwatani au babeire bagosobwa goswana na gatirinde kone kinga ngosira bale abana chinyaruka ase okoba ebitamba byobo chenu na Boigo kone kinga ngwiti barama chiko yokolenda abana chinyaruka elinda bakonyora chinga kichinyororo ekero baendrete ni chisemi chiabo.
Our menstrual hygiene and wash project is one of areas of focus in Rotary, and I'm glad that as Rotarians from the coast, we've been able to come here to launch this project and create an impact in the community.
We are also looking to mentor the children, to form Interact clubs, which is part of the Rotary family, and also to build capacity in teachers who are in schools so that they can continue with this program of helping the kids learn more about sanitary towels, menstrual hygiene, and personal hygiene.
Poverty level iko high hapa kwetu. Wengi hawafford hizo sanitary pads and other essentials za kujikimu katika mwezi, both sides, za boy child na girl child. Hasa kwa girl child wanaona ni advantage. Ndio unaona kuna watu wanatake advantage kwa sababu hawana pesa, wanawapea pesa kidogo na wanatake advantage of that na wanachukua nini, wanawapachika mimba.
Totigarita singana ekwegerera omwana enyaruka na Boigo abasubati nigo ebyombe bikwegerera obwene bwamanya bantu byabeire bigosaba eserikali kubeka emeroberio namachiko yokwenekinga abasubati nkolendwa bale asibabeire bakugikeria ebikorwa asabasubati abange babeire bagoitwa engana etarakolerwa obotuki boisaine Boigo nigo ebyombe byabeire bigosaba eserikali kwerera egetambo kerio onde bwensi oratoke namamocho yokomunirelia omusubati na Boigo koira na Boigo kumuita ase enchira kwenekinga abasubati ngochi kogendra bale korwa nererwa.
Sisi kina mama wanawake tunaomba wale ambao wamekuwa kiuawa na wale wamedhulumiwa waweze kupata haki yao, na haki ni kwa kila mtu, ifai kubagua.
Tumeshuhudia wanawake wengi wakifa, tumeshuhudia wanawake wengi wakipata violence na haki haijakuwa ikitendeka.
Some of the women who are being found dead in rivers, in the streets are our sisters, they're our mothers and our aunties. So it's very disheartening to see that we live in a country where no one is safe, including men and children. So it doesn't matter whether you are a woman, whether you are a man, whether you are a child. Nobody deserves to be killed through injustice. So we are calling upon relevant authorities. We are calling upon the agencies that are involved in maintaining law and order in our country to look at some of these issues that we are facing as a country, and anyway they can find interventions to be able to help us.
All those culprits wenye walihusika na vita ya wasichana wetu such as Rita Waeni na wengine wote, they should all be brought to justice. We can't be living outside or walking outside knowing very well that the culprits are walking.
Mwanchumulilia Ondizi TV oroboti oruo rurengete abasubatu nutuyukira omwelio bwemangana ya chinsa isano na ibere chabono mugasokole ningo toko bato kwenyolinga nige kiminano yakuza awards ase chinyomba chobora lya chendrete gwakerwa chikura kagendrete na Boigo nigo kira chikwera chitariki emerongo etato nomo ase igo tugo sabanga obego gwakera Ndizi TV buna station elia bwanchite ncherakieye orabe gwakera Ndizi TV ngwetera asogotoma elitakuza ase namba eyemo isano isanemo enoti eyemo 15601 toma elitakuza na gwakera Ndizi TV buna station elia bwanchete goikara buno tuchwikara mwalio bwamangana amajia litara nenkuru kwa Job Maangi na kinga chibiche chiboiko na malio giabera wekera asenchera yowekera nuna Abigail Nyanchama yone kinga ko yanyorole wetera asenchera yomunwa webi manyerelio Lydia Mose wikara chinga kichinde nabaganeirie obuligeria obuya imyandize TV nabwo obwansu bomoguse.